People that have been diagnosed or suspect they have food poisoning may be wondering how their diet will be impacted, which will be the focus of this video. Common symptoms of food poisoning include nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting. After going through these uncomfortable symptoms, experts recommend letting the stomach settle or rest by abstaining from food and drink for a few hours. Once the stomach has settled, the following are recommended. Take a probiotic. If you end up taking antibiotics for whatever you have, not only do they, hopefully, kill the bug, but they also wipe out the good bacteria residing in your body. Dr. Rohr also recommends taking a probiotic supplement to get the healthy bacteria to repopulate your digestive tract, which will help get your stomach back to normal. Banana. Rich in potassium and fiber, bananas are easy to digest and make for a reliable, quick, healthy cure for food poisoning. Tips on how to consume. Consume one whole, ripe banana daily, or prepare a banana shake and consume the same twice every day. Coconut water. Coconut water is an excellent alternative to sugary sports drinks during and after food poisoning, according to Therese Bonani, RD, a registered dietitian at the Novice Inc. Wellness Center in New Jersey. Loaded with potassium and a good source of other key nutrients such as sodium, magnesium, and phosphorus, it's your go-to sip for a natural source of electrolytes without added sugar to replenish and hydrate. Smoothies. If you're not ready for a full meal, can't stand the thought of yogurt, or have lactose intolerance, a temporary issue of a GI bug, try a dairy-free smoothie, says Charlene Poors, RDN, a registered dietitian at Euphoria Nutrition. Smoothies made with soy milk, fruit, and nut butter can be a great high-protein and nutritious meal to begin with since they're low in fiber and lactose, making them easy to digest, says Poors.